Hi guys! It's me, Gurong Gala, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako na manood at makinig muli sa performance ng pinakapaborito nating bandang, Franz Rhythm. Pero bago natin ipagpatuloy ang reaction video na ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos na ina-upload natin. Kaya naman guys, wag na natin patagalin po at sabay-sabay natin pakinggan at panoorin ang performance sa song cover ng pamilyang bandang Franz Rhythm sa Surf in USA. Let's go!
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody'd be surfing like California, yeah. You'd see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy blonde hairdo, surfing USA. You'd catch them surfing down Ventura County. Santa Cruz and Dresses, Australia's Narrabeen, over Manhattan and down to Tahiti Ways. Everybody's gone surfing USA. They'll all be planning their route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboards, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing USA. Haggerty's and Swamis, Pacific Palisades.
Nice one!
San Onofre and Sunset, right on the beach LA. All over the whole land, that's why you me a baby. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Everybody gone surfing USA. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Alright, thank you so much for watching.
Grabe, ibang klase talaga yung energy na ibinibigay o ibinabahagi ng pamilyang bandang Friends Rhythm sa atin. Kitang-kita yung enjoyment na ginagawa nila sa kanilang performance. Of course, tayo mga manunood, nag-e-enjoy din tayo sa kanilang mga performances. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto niyo pa makapanood ng mga performance ng ating pamilyang bandang Friends Rhythm, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos natin. Yun lang. Thank you for watching.